Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable full screen display or enable swipe gestures on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and then go to this tab which is named display. Here we would need to scroll lower until we will find this tab which is named navigation bar. As you can see, currently I have chosen buttons. You can see them at the lower part of the screen. And now here we can switch to the swipe gestures, which will make your screen bigger and the line at the bottom part of the screen will disappear. Now let me show you how to navigate the swipe gestures. So the home button, we would need to just swipe up like this to close the app, as you can see. Now the second button, which is show recent apps, we can call it like this. We would need to swipe up and then hold our finger in the middle. Let me show you one more time. Like this, and you can see all the recent apps. And the last thing is how to go back. For that we would need to swipe from the left side to the right, like this. And this is it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.